Hi YouTube, this is Abdel Carfix. Another quick tip for you here. If you're ever working on a Camry or a Lexus and you're doing spark plug job and you see those guys, the tab on the coil is gonna break. At every single one of them, guys, you will break it. I mean, there's no way you can save it. So the best way, actually they're very snug and tight, they don't come out, but to make sure, you can hook up a zip tie. Basically, put a zip tie right in here. Put the zip tie right here, and then cut it, and that will hold it in place, especially on the back ones. The front ones are no big deal, but the back ones under the intake. So do that, and that will keep your car running good and not have to worry about the harness coming off. Thank you for watching my video. That's a quick tip for you. And subscribe to this channel. We need to get more subscribers. Thanks.